Hello, this is Rebecca, DTI Academy Manager at Digital Thinker. In this video, I'll be showcasing user-defined grids. A user-defined grid is a fully customizable data display built using the Grid Designer tool. This feature allows you to create grids that query and present data tailored to your organization's unique needs. On my screen, you'll see an example of Grid Designer. This grid was created during a DTI Academy workshop. As many of you may know, asset, position, and system records reside on separate screens in EAM. A frequent request is to centralize this information into one unified equipment search grid, where all equipment can be easily queried. With Grid Designer, you can accomplish this without needing advanced SQL skills or technical expertise. While this grid pulls data from one table, you can easily extend it to query and display fields from multiple database tables. You also have full control over which records to include by adding a where clause to filter records and adhere to your organization's data security protocols. Additionally, Grid Designer supports including custom fields. If I navigate to the Fields tab, you'll see that you can specify which fields to include in the grid. In this example, we've chosen key equipment details like class, category, serial number, and type. Once a grid is validated and activated, you can add it to a user group menu, just like any other screen. We've added our equipment search grid to a custom menu. Now, I can easily search for equipment based on criteria like description, department, class, or even serial number. One of the standout features of Grid Designer is its ability to include hyperlinks. In this case, since type is one of the fields included, I can reference the type and double-click on a row to easily navigate to the detailed equipment record. We'd love to hear about your own user-defined grid use cases. For instance, you might use them to track supplier return reasons or review checklist results. Feel free to share your ideas in the comments below and let us know if you'd like to learn more about Grid Designer. If there's enough interest, we'll host a hands-on workshop to guide you through creating your own equipment search grid. Thanks for watching.